Hello everyone. In this video, we will discuss one of the most important chapter of class 10th mathematics, that is triangle. We will discuss the concept of triangles and solve few questions. Let's start first with the example 1. The question is ABCD is a trapezium with AB is parallel to DC in which diagonals AC and BD intersect at E and triangle AED is similar to triangle BEC. Prove that AD is equal to BC. इस क्वेश्चन में हमको एक ट्रेपेजियम गिवन है ABCD जिसमें AB और DC जो साइड्स हैं वो पैरेलल हैं. उसके बाद हमको ये पता है कि जो AC और BD हैं वो डायगोनल्स हैं इस ट्रेपेजियम के जो एक पॉइंट E पर इंटरसेक्ट कर रहे हैं. मैंने सारी चीज़ें डायग्राम में दिखाई हुई हैं. और ट्राइंगल AED एंड BEC सिमिलर ट्राइंगल्स हैं और हमको ये बताना है कि AD जो है वो BC साइड के इक्वल होगा. इस फिगर में मैंने एंगल्स मेंशन कर रखे हैं, एंगल 1, एंगल 2. अकॉर्डिंगली हम सिमिलैरिटी दिखाएंगे. सोल्यूशन इज़ लाइक दिस. एंगल 1 इज़ इक्वल टू एंगल 2 सिंस दीज आर ऑल्टरनेट एंगल्स. Similarly, angle 3 is equal to angle 4. These are also alternate angles. And angle CED is equal to angle AEB, vertically opposite angles. Therefore, triangle EDC is similar to triangle EBA. Since these two triangles are similar, therefore we can apply basic proportionality theorem. After applying this theorem, we can get ED by EB is equal to EC by EA. This implies ED by EC is equals to EB by EA. This is equation 1. In the question, we are given that triangle AED is similar to triangle BEC. Again, in two similar triangles, we can apply basic proportionality theorem. Therefore, we have ED by EC is equals to EA by EB is equal to AD by BC. This is equation 2. From equation 1 and equation 2, we can get, you should observe from equation 1 and equation 2 that ED by EA is a similar, is common in both the equation. Therefore, we get EB by EA is equals to EA by EB. After cross multiplication, we have EB का square is equals to EA का square. This implies EB equals to EA. Now we will substitute EB is equals to EA in equation 2 and we can get EA by EA is equals to AD by BC. In equation 2 you can see from the from the first equal side that you have substitute EB is equals to EA and get this equation EA by EA is equals to AD by BC. Since EA by EA is equals to EA, therefore we can cancel out this and get AD by BC is equals to 1. After again by cross multiplication we get AD equals to BC. Hence proved. The second question is ABC is a triangle. PQ is a line segment intersecting AB in P and AC in Q such that PQ is parallel to BC and divides triangle ABC into two equal parts in area. फाइंड BP बाय AB. इस क्वेश्चन में एक ट्राइंगल गिवन है ABC और PQ एक लाइन सेगमेंट है जो AB साइड को P पॉइंट पे और AC साइड को Q पॉइंट पे इस तरीके से इंटरसेक्ट करती है कि PQ और BC साइड पैरेलल हो जाते हैं. और ये लाइन सेगमेंट जो है PQ वो ट्राइंगल ABC को दो इक्वल पार्ट में इन द सेंस ऑफ एरिया डिवाइड करती है. इस पूरी इन्फॉर्मेशन हमको दी हुई है और इसके अकॉर्डिंगली हमको BP बाय AB का रेशो फाइंड आउट करना है. सो लेट्स सी द सोल्यूशन. जो भी हमको गिवन है वो हमने सबसे पहले बता दिया है. एंड टू फाइंड BP बाय AB द प्रूफ इज़ लाइक दिस. इन ट्राइंगल APQ एंड ट्राइंगल ABC वी फर्स्ट प्रूव दैट दीज टू ट्राइंगल आर सिमिलर. तो एंगल APQ इज इक्वल्स टू एंगल ABC सिंस it is given in the question that PQ is parallel to BC and angle A is common in both the triangles. Therefore, triangle APQ is similar to triangle ABC by angle-angle similarity. Therefore, we can apply this theorem. This is the most important result. We are applying this theorem frequently The theorem is in the two similar triangle, the ratio of their area is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. I write this result mathematically, that is area of triangle APQ upon area of triangle ABC is equals to AP का square by AB का square. Since it is given in the question that the line segment PQ divides this triangle ABC into two equal parts, therefore we can write area of triangle ABC is equals to 2 into area of triangle APQ. In the next step we put this value only. Therefore area of triangle APQ upon 2 into area of triangle APQ is equals to AP square by AB square. After cancel out we get 1 by 2 is equals to AP का square by AB का square. This implies AP by AB is equals to 1 by root 2. We get this step after taking square root on both the side. This implies AB minus BP. You can see from the figure that AP is exactly equal to the value of AB minus BP. We have put this value in this step. AB minus BP upon AB is equals to 1 by root 2. We separate AB by AB minus BP by AB is equals to 1 by root 2. AB by AB get cancel out and we get 1 minus BP by AB is equals to 1 by root 2. After calculation we get BP minus AB is equal to 1 minus 1 by root 2. After taking LCM we get BP minus AB is equals to root 2 minus 1 upon root 2. Therefore this is the ratio of BP by AB. The third question is ABC is a triangle in which AB is equals to AC and D is any point in BC. Prove that AB square minus AD square is equal to BD into CD. So इस क्वेश्चन में हमको एक ट्राइंगल गिवन है जिसमें AB और AC साइड जो है वो इक्वल है. D कोई पॉइंट है BC साइड पर, कहीं पर भी हो सकता है ये पॉइंट. प्रूव दैट, हमको ये इक्वेशन प्रूव करनी है. तो द सोल्यूशन इज़ लाइक दिस. हम इस फिगर में जितनी इन्फॉर्मेशन गिवन है उसके बाद एक परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉ कर रहे हैं BC साइड पर एंड दैट परपेंडिकुलर इज़ AE. सो वी ड्रॉ AE इज़ परपेंडिकुलर टू BC एंड द प्रूफ इज़ इन ट्राइंगल ABE and triangle ACE we have AB is equal to AC. It is given in the question. AE is equals to AE. It is common in both the triangles and I had drawn AE perpendicular to BC. तो जो E है, E पॉइंट पे जो एंगल बन रहा है BC पर वो एक 90 डिग्री का एंगल है. देयरफॉर एंगल AEB इज इक्वल टू एंगल AEC. दिस एंगल इज ऑफ 90 डिग्री. Therefore, by using RH congruent condition, triangle ABE is similar to triangle ACE. This implies BE is equal to CE. हमने ये प्रूफ कर दिया कि BE CE के इक्वल है. Next is in right angle triangle ABE, by using Pythagoras theorem we have AB square is equals to AE square plus BE square. Similarly, in right angle triangle ADE, by using Pythagoras theorem we again have AB square is equal to AE square plus DE square. Now subtracting equation 2 from equation 1 we get, हम LHS माइनस दोनों इक्वेशंस के LHS माइनस LHS करेंगे और RHS माइनस RHS करेंगे. AB स्क्वायर माइनस AD स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू AE स्क्वायर प्लस BE स्क्वायर माइनस AE स्क्वायर प्लस DE स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट में. दिस इम्प्लाइज AB square minus AD square is equal to BE square minus DE square. After cancelling out AE square minus AE square, this implies AB square minus AD square is equals to BE plus DE into BE minus DE. We applied the formula A square minus B square is equal to A plus B into A minus B. Since we have proved earlier steps that BE is equal to CE, now we put the value in this step and get AB square minus AD square is equal to CE plus DE into BE minus DE. You can see from the figure that CE plus DE is equal to CD and BE minus DE is equal to BD. Therefore we get the required result AB square minus AD square is equal to BD into CD, hence proved. Next question is example 4. AD is the median of triangle ABC. O is any point on AD. BO and CO produced meet AC and AB in E and F respectively. AD is produced to X such that OD is equals to DX. Prove that these ratio are equal. इस क्वेश्चन में हमको गिवन है जितनी इन्फॉर्मेशन उसके अकॉर्डिंगली हमने फिगर सबसे पहले ड्रॉ किया है, क्योंकि बिना फिगर के इस क्वेश्चन में हम विजुलाइज नहीं कर सकते. इवन in all the questions in this chapter, triangle or like surface area and volume, we can't imagine everything without figure. So the first process is to make figure and detailing in the figure. We have named in the figure every point, every median, every side. Therefore we can visualize easily and we can solve the question easily. So we first draw the figure according to the given information. The information is AD is median of triangle ABC. So we have drawn AD, we have drawn triangle ABC and AD is median, तो वो हमने ड्रॉ कर दिया है. इसमें जो BC लाइन पे इंटरसेक्ट किया है जिस साइड लाइन ने, वो पॉइंट D है. आई मिस्ड इन द फिगर. एंड BO और CO प्रोड्यूस्ड मीट AC. BO और C को हमने थोड़ा सा एक्सटेंड किया है, तो वो AC और AB पे मीट कर रही हैं विथ पॉइंट्स E एंड F रिस्पेक्टिवली. इसी प्रकार हमने AD जो साइड है उसको थोड़ा सा एक्सटेंड किया है, तो वो X पॉइंट पे मीट कर रहा है, और OD इज़ एग्जैक्टली इक्वल टू DX. ये हमको गिवन है और ये रेशियो हमको फाइंड करना है. सो सोल्यूशन इज BC एंड OX बाइसेक्ट ईच अदर. BC और OX जो है वो फिगर में दिख रहा है, बाइसेक्ट कर रहे हैं दोनों साइड. सो BXCO इज़ अ पैरेललोग्राम. ये एक पैरेललोग्राम बन गया है जिसमें BE जो पैरेलल है XC के एंड BX जो है वो पैरेलल है CF के. ठीक है. इन ट्राइंगल BABX बाय यूजिंग बेसिक प्रोपोर्शनैलिटी थ्योरम वी हैव AF by FB is equals to AO by OX. In triangle AXC we use again this theorem and get AE by EC is equal to AO by OX. From 1 and 2 we get AF by FB is equal to AE by EC. Since ये AO by OX is common in both the equation, therefore we get this ratio. Next is by the converse of basic proportionality theorem. बेसिक प्रोपोर्शनैलिटी थ्योरम का कन्वर्स ये बोलता है कि अगर दो साइड्स पैरेलल हैं तो हम उस ट्राइंगल में उन साइड्स को एक प्रोपोर्शन के फॉर्म में एक्सप्रेस कर सकते हैं. वी हैव डिड दिस हियर. EF इज पैरेलल टू BC. therefore from 1 we get OX by OA is equals to FB by AF. Adding equation 1 on both the side, that is adding LHS to LHS is equal to RHS to RHS. From equation 1 we get AX by OA is equals to AB by AF, and we can write this in the ratio form also. Therefore the theorem has proved. The last question is like this. In a triangle ABC, P divides the sides AB such that AP ratio AB is equals to 1:2. Q is a point on AC such that PQ is parallel to BC. Find the ratio of the area of triangle APQ and trapezium BPQC. इस क्वेश्चन में भी फिगर हम सबसे पहले ड्रॉ कर रहे हैं. द ओनली इन्फॉर्मेशन इज गिवन इज एक ABC ट्राइंगल है. P डिवाइड करता है AB साइड को सच दैट हमको ये रेशो फाइंड आउट मतलब रेशो मिलता है कि AP रेशो PB इज इक्वल टू 1:2. Q एक पॉइंट है AC पे सच दैट PQ जो साइड है वो पैरेलल है BC के, और हमको रेशो फाइंड आउट करना है एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल APQ और ट्रेपेजियम BPQC का. सो सोल्यूशन इज टू प्रूव द रेशो ऑफ दिस एरिया. द प्रूफ इज इन ट्राइंगल APQ एंड ट्राइंगल ABC वी हैव APQ is equal to B. These are the corresponding angles and angle A is common in both the triangles. Therefore triangle APQ is similar to triangle ABC by angle-angle similarity. By using the theorem, the ratio of the area of two triangles is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. We use this result very frequently, and we write this result mathematically in the next step. So area of triangle APQ upon area of triangle ABC is equals to AP by AB ka whole square. Therefore we write the next step, just separating the square on numerator and denominator. The next is, let AP is equals to 1x. Since the ratio is given, AP is to PB is equal to 1:2. Therefore we can have AP is equals to 1x and PB is equals to 2x. Therefore AB is equals to AP plus PB. Therefore AB is equals to 3x. Area of triangle APQ upon area of triangle ABC is equals to the ratio of the square of their corresponding sides, that is 1x ka square upon 3x ka square. Area of triangle APQ upon area of triangle ABC is equals to 1x square upon 9x square. After cancelling out this x square, we get the next step, area of triangle APQ upon area of triangle ABC is equals to 1 by 9. Let area of triangle APQ is equals to 1x square unit and area of triangle ABC is equal to 9x unit square. Therefore area of trapezium BPQC is equals to area of triangle ABC minus the above triangle APQ. Therefore the area of trapezium is 9x minus 1x. We have got this value in the earlier steps. After subtracting 9x minus 1x, we get area of trapezium BPQC is equal to 8x square units. So we just have to calculate the ratio only. Now area of triangle APQ upon trapezium BCED is equal to x by 8x square units. Area of triangle APQ upon area of trapezium BCED is equal to 1 by 8. After cancelling this x from numerator and denominator, therefore the ratio is 1:2. Hence the ratio of the area of triangle APQ and the trapezium BPQC is equal to 1:8. So we got the required answer.